Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Civil Engineering at Site. So today we will discuss about band reduction length of bar in BBS, or we can say band elongation, or we can say expansion length. So today we will discuss about the band reduction length of bar in BBS, bar bending schedule. So this will depend on first point, grade of steel, and second point, degree of bending. Okay, so this is the two main point to remember everyone: the bend reduction length or bend elongation, or we can say expansion length, is depend on the grade of the steel and degree of bending. So I have here one screen share with you. There is the mention. Here I have first image is the bar. This bar is bent on 90 degree. This is the angle is 90 degree. Another one, the bar is bent on 45 degree. Okay, this angle is 45 degree. This is the second. Third, I have the bar is bent on 180 degree. If you will make here like this is the angle is 180 degree. And fourth, I have the bar is bent on, this is our bar is bent on 135 degree. So today we will discuss about this one, how many length increase when we are doing the bar bending. Okay, we are bending the bar. Okay, so suppose this is, I will make here separate picture. This is our bar. We can say the length is 4 meter. Okay, now we are making bending for this one bar. So suppose I make this bar on 90 degree. Okay, this is the angle is 90 degree. So what here the length will, if you will make bend here, the length will increase. Okay, so because inside will be compression, so outside will be tension, so the length of the bar due to stretching, okay, this length will be increased. So now we know maximum we are using four types of bar bend in the BBS. One is 90 degree, another one is 45 degree, and third one is 135 degree, fourth one is 180 degree. So how many length will increase if we are doing the bend of the bar? Okay, so we are bending of the bar, how much length will be increased? So if you are making 45 degree angle, if suppose this is your bar, okay, this is your straight bar, if you are making this bar is on 45 degree angle, the angle will be measured from this side. So the length will be increased here due to stretching 1 into d, 1 into dia of bar. Okay, if you are bending on 90 degree, this is the bar, you bending on 90 degree. Okay, this is the angle is 90 degree. so the length will be increased 2 into dia of bar. Okay, if you are making 90-degree angle, if you are bending the bar on 90-degree angle, so the length will be increased here. This is the increasing length. Okay, arc length or increasing length due to stretching. This will be 2 into d, 2 into dia of bar. Okay, later we will make one example. Okay, so another one I will make here. This is our bar. Okay, and we are bent on 180-degree. This is on 180-degree. Okay, this is the angle. You can say this angle is 180-degree. Okay, 180-degree. The length will be increased. This is the increasing length. Okay, this length is increasing due to stretching. Okay, so the length will be increased 4 into dia of bar. Okay, and another one we have, if we are making the bar on 135-degree. This is the bar. Okay, if we bend on 135-degree, this is increasing length due to stretching on 135-degree, on 135-degree angle. So the length will be increased 3 into dia of bar. Okay, why we are calculating this length? Because when we will make cutting length of the bar, when we will make cutting length of bar, okay, then we will detect this length. Okay, so when we will make the cutting length of the bar, so then we will deduct this length before cutting of the bar. Suppose I have this bar is 4 meter. Okay, is 4 meter. So if you will bend this bar on 90-degree, okay, on 90-degree, if you will bend this bar, this is the bar. Okay, I bend this bar on 90-degree. Okay, this angle is 90-degree. So the length will increase here 2 into dia of bar. So suppose this bar is 10 mm dia, or we can say, okay, dia of bar. So the total length will be 4 plus this is the this 4 in meter. So this bar will be in mm. So you will convert. Okay, 2 into 10 divided by 1000, because this is in mm and this is in mm. If you will convert in meter, so it will be divided by 1000. So the maximum length will become 4020 mm. This is the total length. So suppose I will make one example. I need to make this shape. Okay, I need this shape. This will be 2 meter. This will be 2 meter. Okay, the dia is 10 mm. What will be the cutting length of this bar? Okay, so this will be 2 meter. This will be 2 meter. So what is the cutting length? What is the cutting length? So we will calculate now cutting length. So we will calculate now cutting length. We have this 2 meter, 2 meter. Okay, so how many length of bar we need? So this angle will be how much? 90-degree. So here the length will be increased 2 into dia. So dia is equal to 10. So the length will be 20 mm. So we need this one 2 meter, this one 2 meter. So we will calculate 2 plus 2 minus 20 mm. Okay, so we can make, after this is in meter. Okay, 1000. So this is 4. Okay, minus 20, but divided by 1000 will be dilu. Okay, so this will become 4 minus 0.002, 0.002. So this will become 4000, 4000 minus 4000 mm minus 20 mm. So this will become 3980 mm. So we need the steel length 3.980 meter. So this will be the cutting length. This will be the cutting length of this bar. So we need this bar 3.980. Then we will make this bar on 90-degree angle. So this length will be automatically increase. So you now understand with this example. So I will make the another example for you. If I have shaped this one 45 degree, 45 degree. So this is 2 meter. This will be 2 meter. Why I am taking 2 meter? Because I am calculating roughly. I don't have a calculator, so it is easy to calculate for me. So I will find cutting length. Okay, we can say again the dia 10 mm. Okay, so now I will calculate this cutting length for this shape of bar. Okay, so cutting length will be of, come the total length 2 plus 2. Here the length will be increasing of the bar is 1 into d. So 1 into d is 10 mm. So we will decrease, we will make minus 10 mm. Okay, so 4000 minus 10, because I make here mm to meter to mm. Okay, 4 meter is equal to 4000 mm. So 3990 mm will be the cutting length for this shape of the bar. So this is the formula to calculate the band deduction length of the bar for our BBS. This is the basic for the BBS. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest notification, and thank you for watching this video.